crazy, but I just did my own individual lashes. It's not bad for my first time. Don't clown me. Okay, let me stop. Before, I started my lash journey. I'm gonna say journey because I started my lash back in January. That was the first time I ever got my lashes done, and it was like an oops because the people who did it, they did it right here in Atlanta, and it only cost $25. I was like, okay, cool. And they used hair glue and jacked up my lashes. So by the time I was ready for these lashes to be gone, when I tried to get it off, my real lashes were coming off with. I used to have beautiful eyelashes. Garantez-moi ce fait-là. Moitié faux lashes, you're definitely touché lashes went. Oh my gosh, my real lashes were so pretty before. Attendez, maman, parce que si je t'attendais le journée jeudi, I would not look like a rat ou bien a bald eagle. Kunya, natete, I'm putting real mascara to help regrow, but I'm gonna have to get them again for my birthday. Pretty fair lashes. I would say I have pretty long lashes. I used to get compliments on my lashes. It was nothing drastic. But since then, my lashes have had some trouble, but they have grown. They just grow awkwardly. So like if I come to the side, you'll see that I do have some lashes going on. And now I'm just trying to, at this point, I don't really care all that way to grow my real lashes because I wear like strip lashes every day. But since I wear strip lashes every day, that's why I wanted to try these individual lashes. So if you want to know how I grew my lashes back, because I really could just put mascara, but no, I'm addicted to lashes at this point. I basically used Vaseline, and I'm talking about like the general back in the day old school Vaseline, and that really does help your lashes grow. When you got to think about it, like just go back to the basics if you want real growth. So right now I'm in Atlanta. I live in the Bay Area, San Francisco, California area. So right now I'm in Atlanta visiting my family for the Thanksgiving holiday. And so I just wanted to, since I have some time, I'm like, why not? Let's do this right here, right now. So my parents, we're in a black household, Haitian at that, and they did not have any Vaseline. So thank God I went to CVS. They sent me like a coupon. So I basically paid 50 cents for petroleum jelly, and that's what I'm going to use on my lashes and stuff. Well, what you're gonna need is some individual lashes. I'm gonna use these. These are by Kiss. They're called, since I'm used to using the Kiss lashes, I figured why not. They're called Lash Couture Faux Lash Extensions. And it says that they have a flat band, which I would assume that's great in terms of if you're putting it over the eye. I wanted to try the under eye method, but I guess with this I'm gonna have to try the over the eye method. Yeah, that's what it looks like in the image too. Looks like this, and it has 2 short rows, 1 medium row. I like my lashes really long, so that's why I got all this volume right here. So I'm probably gonna need to put a lot in. I was hoping that this would give me a 2-time use, but it looks like it might just give me a 1-time use, so we'll see what happens. So you're gonna need the lash, you're gonna need glue, lash glue, and don't get your typical lash glue. You're gonna need the individual lash glue. I got the one by Ardell because it seems to be the popular one and what they had at the beauty store too. This is called the Lash Tight Dark Adhesive. I tried this on strip lashes. It was a dub. Don't want to do that. But the reason why you want to do this because it makes it easier to put it onto whatever flat surface that you need to, and then you dip the lash in there so that and you only need like a dime size is what from what I gathered. And yeah, so you need that. I would use a lash curler, but I don't have my lash curler with me, so I just kind of just curl it myself, and a tweezer. So let's get started. To dry out. See, look how dry that is. You got to do this really quick. I'm just gonna take them out to make it a whole lot easier when I'm grabbing for these lashes. This glue likes to dry out so freaking quickly. This better turn out right, because I'm gonna be mad. Like, I'm gonna put like half of a dime because this mess dries out too freaking quickly. I'm dipping it. I take the lash and I'm dipping it. Sorry guys, my mom is real Haitian. Alright, I'm getting the mirror. Okay. It's on. Okay, I'm sorry. I got real excited. Alright, let me grab another one. Put it towards the front. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I'm gonna put that next to one of my lashes. Hopefully that stays. I'm gonna be mad if these like fall out. That would be funny, but sad for me. Okay guys, so this is the final results. Not bad for my first time. I could definitely do better, but yeah. So tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.